Navigating a job fair. Warm up by walking through the job fair. If there is a map, locate the employers that you're interested in. You can arrive at the fair with family members or friends. However, visit with employers on your own. You can touch base with everyone else later.
All right, what do you think? I think I'm going to head over here.
I'm actually going to head up here first.
Okay, that's fine. How about we meet back here in about an hour?
Sounds great.
All right, good luck.
Good luck.
See ya.
See ya.
Just meeting all the different employers, having them in one spot, getting the chance to go around and talk, half a dozen or more employers, just makes it that much easier for a person instead of having to visit the companies, travel around the state if they're not right where you want them to be.
Everyone's so laid back and they're excited to talk to you, and they tell you all the different positions that they have available, and it's just a great opportunity to meet all the different employers at one single setting.
It's actually priceless. You really don't know what's out there until you come, because there's so many businesses that are looking for people that you just wouldn't find anywhere else.
My biggest advice is come prepared, bring your resumes, bring anything else that's going to show off what you have to offer for their company, and just be relaxed. Don't be nervous. They're here to talk to you, they want you.
Have an idea what you're looking for, have an idea with what you want to do, because you'll get questions like that about what you're looking for after you graduate, and knowing what you want to say will give you a heads up.
It would be nice if the prospective employee would have gone out to the website, done their homework a little bit, learned a little bit about the company.
Having questions prior to talking with an employer is a great way to gain additional information about the employer.